Hello lovely friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be a Nigeria bridal dress and makeup, and my girlfriend from Brazil love our culture and she want to try it out, and so she will be the one that will be modeling it for us today. Etenikbia eteniko wabohia iya wamazewoma. Ah oui, so oseme ya mwegbeve na ni ma ya mwegbeve mahia yoko radio wodoe wara dugyomo ehia ovedene na, and wanive subscribe to my channel waya wese wanima eve subscribe wa try o no wa oege no wa we o wa wese ya wakugbo eti. Holas amigas, amigos, bienvenidos a la mi canal e gracias por asistirme. Hallo meine Liebling, herzlich willkommen. Ich hoffe, dass euch dabei Spaß habt. Benvenuti a tutti la mia amici e spero che voi avete divertimento con la mia nuovo video. Grazie mille. Today we are not going to put the horn. We are just going to make a pony. And to make the pony, I'm going to put this on the hair. That is what we are doing, and I'm going to sew it in. Now I have put the pony. I have to now comb this other hair on top. So here we have packed the hair together already. The next thing is just to put a little bit of makeup, and that is what we are going to do next. So she have changed to her attires, and of course she still needs her jewelries.
My money, my body, now your own.
It's over your body.
I beg you, make it do good for us. I beg you, make it sweet for us.
This is the look that we achieve and we really enjoy ourselves doing this look, and we laugh a lot. This is the finishing look, and I hope you do like it, and I hope you enjoy yourself watching us. And if you do, please consider subscribing for more videos like this or other tutorial that I upload, and see you some other time. Have a technique by technique. When you may subscribe or try to subscribe to a where even you now, because I promote a woman why I will say. And thank you very much, and see you in my next video.